Cybertruck FSD was seen stopping for a cat which was trying to cross the road. The owner of the truck got confused why the truck stopped in the middle of the road. But then he came to realize that he was not paying attention to the black cat trying to cross the road. Surprisingly, the truck detected the small cat even before it was trying to cross the road. Its actually insane car picked up the cat and made the decision to stop safely when it could. Some minor changes that would be required, as the FSD cannot distinguish between cats and humans based on the visualization display. In fact, the object detection disappears sporadically as the cat marches across the street. Artificial intelligence has achieved today that it can see things that humans cannot even capture. It's getting so good that it's seeing things that humans aren't even catching.